What do aliens want? There could be two options. They want to help us or to help themselves. Those are two questions that we might ask. Basically, though, what we really do is identify energies, conscious energies that are in the wrong place. I always say there's nothing bad, there are just things in the wrong place. So if we do have alien presence, it may be that they're lost. It's like little E.T. trying to get home. There are more things in heaven and earth that are dreamt of in our philosophy. So it's, you know, and we can talk about the matrix, the different color pills, and once you choose to go down the rabbit hole, it is hard to go back. So we know things that we can't unknow. So there have always been records of aliens. If you Google aliens art, you'll come up with this painting. The full painting, there's the Madonna and the baby. But if you look in the background, there's this little guy, and he's looking up at something that we would identify as a spaceship. So this is in a museum in Italy, done in the 1400s or 1500s. There's many German woodcuts showing things that we can't, the only way we can explain it, that those things in the sky in the 15th century that look exactly like spaceships, you know, if it looks like a duck and walks like a duck, it must be a duck. So, and the early cave paintings as well. There's many examples of art all along the way that demonstrate vision of something. I believe now that things are more in stealth mode, partly because we have such excellent communications, instant communications, and partly because we tend to panic, that these energies now tend to be in stealth. So our dosing helps us to expand our perception of other types of energies. This is what I call the dosing radar. So there's the classic orb. And we've been taking pictures of orbs for the last many years. If you go back even into your print pictures from a long time ago, you'll see those water spots. And if you go back now with your eyes now, you'll say, oh, that was actually an orb. But are we being prepared for more contact? Because who could be afraid of an orb? Everybody gets very excited by that. But it could be the first step. Okay, they're accepting orbs. Now what else can we show them, show ourselves as? But what is an alien? Space people, dead people, nature spirits. These are all interdimensional energies. And just as with the spot down here that was identified, somebody says, oh, it's a spacecraft. Somebody says, I think that's a nature spirit. It's very difficult with our vocabulary and also with our body experience. Like we're not that familiar with contact. So what does contact feel like? You know, the alien doesn't necessarily just, walk up to us. Sometimes they do. So what are they? Are they angels? As an angelic spot. Well, then what's the difference between an angelic spot and an alien spot? Are they gods? Let's consider also, could these be remote viewers or some kind of military aspect?